Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to format the table in the Excel app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this in the workbook. From here we just go into the top row, click on format as table, and here we have different kinds of formatting styles. We have light, medium, or dark. I don't know, let's see this one. Like this, and then this is going to be our table that has been formatted, and yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.